Next up, you ever heard of this ferrofluid stuff?
Mm-hmm.
No, what is this?
This is that stuff that is attracted to magnets. It's like this black fluid.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's so cool to look at. Well, anyway, this person here created a speaker with ferrofluid inside.
Nice.
That
This
is
really
is
cool.
like a visualizer in real life. And they 3D printed the actual speaker unit. It's a Bluetooth speaker, so it's wireless. There's a video actually below that you can see. The project by artist Dact Young says ferrofluid has a tendency to stick to glass. So, the container had to be specially treated before being filled with the magnetic fluid. Next, he had to build an electromagnetic device to manipulate the fluid to the sound of music. Finally, the entire contraption was placed into a sleek-looking 3D printed case.
Ooh, that's so freaky looking. That's so cool. It's like a living organism. This black.
And of course, when you have the music in play, it creates a real atmosphere.
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice. That was nice. But
Yeah,
this
for those
thing's
that don't know
crazy
why you're
cool.
laughing quite like that, that's because it's one of your cinema words
Yes,
that you're
one of
very
my-
proud of.
Coined.
I'm very proud of the word atmosphere. I mean, it's a good word, so whatever. Anyway, yeah, you can just bust forward a little bit there, a little bit more, and there you go. There's your finished product. And I don't know about you, but that creates that's an environment right there. You got the lights dim. You're a guy like Mo.
That's really cool. This is like the final form of a lava lamp.
Mm-hmm.
You're a guy like Mo. It's a Friday evening. You have yourself a nice meal.
Jamming out.
You dim the lights a little bit.
Sit right in front of this.
You have yourself a nice meal.
Yeah.
You got a fire in the background, a crackling fire. You're a guy like Mo. And you get one of these.
That's right.
So I don't know if the guy plans. Obviously, it would be very difficult to sell something like this. It's very specific.
Oh, he's resetting it.
Yeah.
Is that like calibrating it?
Yeah, you bring everything back to the center. You can see there's a little bit stuck there to the glass. That's the hard part. It reacts, by the way, responds to low frequencies
Cool.
based on when I was watching it.